So class 10 students, today we will do a new exercise, not a new exercise, that means we will continue the exercise which we have done in the previous class. Okay, we have done up to question number 2, so we will do today question number 3. So what is the question here? On comparing the ratios a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So here you need to find out whether the following are the inconsistent or not consistent. Okay, so here you see what is Roman number 1. There are Roman number 5 now, up to 5, so I will do Roman number 1 and Roman number 3. Okay, Roman number 1 and Roman number 3 I will do, and the next on all remaining other Roman numbers you will do it by yourself. Okay, so if you have any doubt you will ask me, understand? So now I will do Roman number 1. So to do that Roman number 1, in earlier classes I have already told you that if the lines you see here, this is very important. Okay, the lines may intersect in a single point. In this case, the pair of equations has a unique solution. If the pair of equations has a unique solution, then it will be consistent. Okay, then the lines may be parallel. In this case, the equations have no solution. This will be inconsistent pair of equations. So here we will find out consistent and inconsistent now. So here we need to know if the line is parallel or if the equations have no solution, then it is inconsistent. Okay, and if the line intersect and if the pair of equations has a unique solution, then it will be consistent. And here you see the lines may be coincident. In this case, the equations have infinitely many solutions. So if the lines are coincident and if the equations have infinitely many solutions, then it is dependent pair of equations, that is consistent pair of equations. Okay, so here we will do Roman number 1. So what is Roman number 1? 3x plus 2y equals to 5, and here 2x plus minus 3y equals to 7. Okay, so here we will do the solution. So how to do here? We will write here given. Okay, given, or you can write here also. You write here a equals to how much? A1 equals to 3 na? A1 equals to 3, b1 equals to 2, c1 equals to 5, and a2 equals to 2, b2 equals to minus 3, c2 equals to 7. Okay, so these are the given. Now we will do now a1 by a2 na, according to the formula. A1 by a2 is how much? 3 by 2. Next will be b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is how much? 2 by minus 3. Now you see b1 by b2 and a1 by a2 is not same now, na? So since it is not same, what we will write here? Therefore a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So if it will not be equal, what we will do here? If it will not be equal, that means you see in this book, okay, if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, you see here what they have written. It is intersecting lines and it has only one solution, that means it will be consistent now. So this solution is consistent. Okay, so how we will write here? You will write here since the lines intersect each other, okay, intersect each other and have a unique solution. Okay, a unique solution, that means have only one solution, have a unique or one solution, you can write. Okay, then therefore you will write here therefore what? The pair of linear equation. Okay, the pair. Why it is pair? Because it is 2 na. So the pair of linear equations is consistent now. We write here consistent. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, and this will be the solution. So this is Roman number 1. Now I will do Roman number 3. So what is Roman number 3? You see here the equation 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3 y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay, this is equation for equation number 3. Minus 7 equals to this one. This is not the equation. No, sorry, this is not the equation. That means minus 7 they have written like that. It will be here 7. After that 9x minus 10y equals to how much? 14. And this will be the solution. So you will write here now. Here a1 equals to how much? 3 by, right downside, okay. a1 equals to 3 by 2. b1 equals to 5 by 3. Here up to c they have given na, so c equals to 7, okay. And a2 equals to 9, b2 equals to minus 10. So why I've written minus 10? Because minus is here. c2 equals to 14. Now you will use the formula, okay. That is what? a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is how much? 3 by 2 into 9 you will do, okay, like this. 3 by 2 into 9. Because you see here 3 by 2 by 9, that means 3 by 2 into 9, 1 by 9 na? 3 by 2 into 1 by 9, that means what? 3 2 into 9 na? This means, so I will not write this one, okay, because since you are not a small student, so you understand it like that, okay. So it will be here 2 into 9. After that b1 by b2 na, b1 by b2, how much it will be? This one 5 by 3 into 10, okay. So here a1 by a2 equals to how much? 3 by 9 to the 18, and b1 by b2 equals to 5 3 10 the 30 na? So you see here 3 9 are how much? 3 1s are 3 9. 5 minus 10 na, sorry, minus 10, it is minus 10. Minus 10, here will be minus 30. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So here a1 is how much? a1 by a2 1 by 9, b1 by b2 equals to minus 1 by 6, okay. So 3 1 3 1s are 3 9s are 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 na, 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 3 3 9 9 3 6 are 18 na, sorry, what I have written here, 3 6 are 18, so it will be 1 by 6. A equals to how much? 1 by 6, and b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 6. So these two are not same na, since one is positive and one is negative. So here you will write what? Since, like before, okay, the lines intersect. Why it is intersecting? Because these two are not same na. If a1 by b1 a2 equals is not equals to b1 by b2, that means what? They are intersecting lines. They have the intersecting lines on graph, and in algebraic they have unique solution. That is one solution, okay. Intersect each other at one point, at a point also you can write, okay, at a point, and have one solution. Therefore what you will write here? The pair of linear equations is consistent, okay. So here it will be consistent, since a1 by you will write here therefore, okay, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to, because a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, and you will write there therefore the lines in since the lines intersect each other at a point and have one solution, therefore the pair of linear equations is consistent. Like that you will do, okay. Similarly you will do for Roman number 4 5 and Roman number 2. These all are will be your assignment, okay. So in Roman number 5 you see a1 will be 4 by 3, a2 will be 2, b1 will be 2, B2 will be 3, C1 will be 8, and C2 will be 12. Okay, so likewise you will cut that and you will get all same. Okay, the equation you will get all same, therefore you will write a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, and after that you will write, since the lines intersect, the lines you will write here. Okay, since it is all equal, that means you will write, since the lines coincide, okay, coincide each other at a point and have infinitely many solutions, therefore the pair of equations is what? Dependent or consistent. Okay, so you will write it like that. Okay, so I will go to now question number 4. So now you see what is question number 4. Question number 4 is which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution in such cases graphically. So you will see here, if it is consistent, then you will obtain it the solution in graphically. Okay, but if it won't be consistent, then you will you will not obtain it in it graphically. Understand? So you will check here whether the equations are consistent or not consistent. So here you will write what? Here a1 equals to x, that means what? a1 equals to 1. Okay, a1 equals to 1, b1 equals to 1, c1 equals to 5, a2 equals to 2, b2 equals to 2, c2 equals to 10. Okay, next will be now a1 by a2. a1 by a2, that means 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equals to how much? 1 by 2. c1 by c2 equals to 5 by 10. 5 by 10, that means 1 by 2. And now like that now. So here you will write, therefore if it is consistent, then we will find out graphically now. So you see, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. It's all equal now. c1 by c2. So you see here, why it is all equal, this one? If this is in the form of equal, all the equations are equal, all the fractions are equal, that means it have a parallel lines, not sorry, it have a coincident line, and they have infinitely many solutions. Okay, that is the formula now. I have already shown you in the previous classes or in the previous question also. So you will write here what? Hence the pair of linear equations is consistent. Okay, the pair of linear equations is consistent. So now you will write here, you put this one as equation number 1. Okay, and this will be equation number 2. Solution will start from here. Solution will start from here. So equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now you will write here from equation number 1. Okay, since it is consistent, we will find out graphically now. Equation number 1 what? Equation number 1 implies what? X plus y equals to 5. That means y equals to 5 minus x. Okay, this will be. Now you will put a box. Okay, put a box, and here will be x, y. Here a, b. Now you see, if x is 5, if x is 5, y will be what? 0 na? Then if x is 2, y will be 3. Okay, 5 minus 2, 3. So this is for equation 1, and from equation 2 you write here. Okay, from equation 2, what we get? 2x plus 2y equals to 10. That means 2y equals to 10 minus 2x. Okay, so here y equals to how much it will be? 10 minus 2x by 2. That means y equals to 5x minus 5 minus 2x. Okay, so this will be for equation number 1. Now I will make a box here. Okay, box, or you can make it here also, no problem. So here will be box will be made. Understand? So here will be C, D, C and D, C, D. Okay, here will be X, here will be Y. Now you see, if X is 5, X is 5, okay, X is 5, 2 5s are 10, no? 5 minus 10, how much it will be? So you see this one I've made it mistake. Okay, it will be 5 minus x. Here will be why it will be 5 minus x, because if you take 2 here common, okay, you see here, if you take 2 common here, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 na. So 2 will be cancelled, 5 minus x it will be na. So if you put here 5 and x, then it will be 0. Answer will be y will be 0, sorry. And if you put x 4, then y will be 1 na? So now you will draw a graph. Okay, in previous classes what I have shown like that, you will draw it. So first you will make a line here like this and here like this. Okay, this will be x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, and here will be, which is the greatest number here in these two? 5 no? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Here will be 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This will be 0, and this will be y-axis, and this will be x-axis. Okay, so here, if you see for this equation 1, okay, if x is 5, x is what? 5, then y will be 0. So this will be a na, a 5 0. And next, if b will be 2, y will be 3. No, sorry, if x will be 2, y will be 3. That means it will be here. Suppose we will put here b 2 3. Okay, so these two will be joined. Understand? Like this. After that, if x is 5, y is 0. X is 5, y will be 0. Same na? Here it will be same. Okay, these two, c 5 0. And if x is 4, y will be 1. Here it will be. Okay, so it will be like it will be with. So now you see here, if what x is 4, y will be 1 na? If x is 4, y will be 1. That means it will be here will be d is what? 4 1. Okay, 4 1, and c will be 5 0. So they are on the coincident lines now. That means almost they are with same line. That means like this it is. They are not in exactly intersecting, but they are coincide each other. Okay, so if they coincide each other, that means it will be they have infinitely many solutions. Okay, so this will be, you will write here plotting. Okay, plotting the points, a how much? 5 0. B 2 3 2 3. C how much? C also 5 0. D is 4 1. Okay, we get the line here. You named as PQ. Okay, this will be Q and this will be P. PQ. Okay, so here we will write that therefore, you will write here therefore the lines represented by equation, okay, represented by equations 1 and 2 are coincident. Yes or no? So if it will be coincident, it will have an infinitely many solutions. Okay, like that you will have coincidence. That is, you will write here, that is, it have, okay, infinitely many solutions. So this will be the answer, okay. So if it will have an infinitely many solutions, that means the lines will be coincident, that means it will coincide, okay. So this is for equation number 1, question number 4. Now I will do equation number 2, okay, and the remaining equations you will do it by yourself, okay. So equation number 2 is what you will write here, or we have also, okay. We have what we have, x minus y equals to 8, no, x minus y equals to 8, and this will be equation number 1, 3x minus 3y equals to 16. This will be equation number 2, okay. So here you see this will be equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now you will write here a equals to a1 equals to, okay, 1, b1 equals to minus 1, c1 equals to 8, a2 equals to 3, b2 equals to minus 3, c2 equals to 16, okay. You will write like that. Next will be comparing, na. Now a1 by a2 equals to how much? 1 by 3. b1 by b2 equals to minus 1 minus 3. That means how much it will be, this one? 1 by 3, na? And this will be c1 by c2. c1 by c2, that means 8 by 16. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 1 by 2. Now you see a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. It's the same, but this is not same, no. So you will write here, therefore a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. You will write like that, okay. So if it is not equal, that means it won't be consistent, no, it will be inconsistent, okay. Since the lines are parallel, it will be since the lines are parallels, that means it will have no equations or no solutions. So we will not further go, if what they have told us in the question, they have told us that if the pair of linear equations are consistent, that means we will find out graphically. But since it is not consistent, we will not find out graphically, okay. We will stop here, understand? So there you will write here, since, okay, since the pair of equations has no solution, okay, solution, and the lines are parallel, therefore what you will write here, the pair of equations, therefore you will write here the pair of equations, good, the pair of equation is inconsistent, okay. You will write like this, inconsistent. So you will write here, since the pair of equations has no solutions and the lines are parallel, therefore the pair of equations is inconsistent. Or you can write the pair of linear equations also here, okay. The pair of linear equations is inconsistent. So you will write here like this. This is the process how to do. If you will get a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, it will be consistent. Then if you get again a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, that is also consistent. But if you get in this process like this, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, that means it won't be consistent. This will be inconsistent. So you will not draw a graph, understand? You will write like this, since the pair of linear equations has no solution and the lines are parallel, therefore the pair of linear equations is inconsistent, okay. If it is inconsistent, we will not draw a graph. So you will do like this, and the remaining equations, that is equation number 2, sorry, equation number 3 and 4 from question number 4, and equation 2, 4, 5 from equation number 3. Will do that question. Okay, so that remaining equations you will do by yourself as your assignment. And they have already informed us that from date 8 we will go to school. Now we will attend the classes. So before attending the classes, we will complete this exercise 3.2. okay, so you do your assignment correctly, and if you have any doubt you can ask me.